Neural Consult Nursing is an all-in-one AI study platform built specifically for nursing education. Our platform helps nursing students instantly look up topics, generate lecture summaries.
The heart, a muscular organ roughly the size of a fist, is truly a remarkable pump. It's estimated to contract nearly 3 billion times in a 75-year lifespan.
Flashcards, and nursing board-style practice questions directly from the course materials they upload. Everything is fully cited, so students can easily trace information back to the original source file and page number. With over 1,400 articles in our Nursing Medical Encyclopedia, students can quickly review high-yield topics through nursing-focused sections like pathophysiology, nursing interventions, patient education, and key takeaways. Our clinical case simulator allows students to apply what they've learned in a low-pressure, simulated patient care setting before real clinical encounters.
It feels like it sticks in the middle of my chest and just won't go down. I usually have to drink a lot of water.
An always available AI tutor helps guide students when they get stuck, reinforcing learning in real time outside of class, lab, and clinical hours. For nursing program leaders and faculty, Neural Consult can be customized to your curriculum, course materials, and institutional standards. In a secure, private environment, students and faculty can search program content, generate study resources, create AI-powered patient simulations, and track engagement and learning progress in real time. Neural Consult Nursing brings curriculum, faculty, and students together in one platform, helping programs support learning at scale while helping students move from memorization to clinical judgment. Neural Consult, AI for nursing education.